grovel with respect for Macedonia. Today is that day.
How will you fight?
We are here today as Macedonian free men!
Once the veil of night has been lifted, we can see Macedonia bathed in light. The light slowly begins to warm the traditional fishing enclosures of Lake Doiran, the narrow alleys and snow-white houses. Macedonia is an open land. You can enter Macedonia from all four corners of the world, from the countries it borders, or, if you travel here by plane, you can land at either of the country's two airports, in Ohrid or in Skopje. Macedonia is the bride of mythology. Its treasures are there for everyone who wishes to explore them. From the ancient past, from the womb of its soil, archaeologists have retrieved, in their full originality, the goddess of fertility, the Tetovo Maenad, the Trebinishte masks, and the Ohrid Isis. You can partake of the fascinating past of the ancient cities of Heraclea, with their amphitheaters, and indeed feel like a worthy descendant of ancient Macedonia, of Rome, or of the Byzantine Empire. With gentle step, you can walk through the magic beauties of its mosaics, take part in the ritual games in its amphitheaters, explore the early Christian baptistry, the scenes telling stories of love. The past, the present, and the future are inextricably linked and interwoven in Macedonia. Today's offices, breathing the spirit of the modern age, are also decorated with the work of excellent traditional artists. the opulent imagination of woodcarvers, the exquisite patterns of Macedonian carpets, and the filigree working of gold and silver are all parts of the rich creative tradition of this people. In this wonderful and sometimes utterly surreal world, the table is laden with products proffered by Mother Earth. Large bunches of grapes appear to have imbibed the very sunshine scattered across the plentiful vineyards that look as if they have been tailored with scissors. The generosity of the god Bacchus is to blame for the many wine cellars. The colorful landscape is complemented by the elegant gallop of wild horses. The Kali, the old citadel, seems to be standing guard, observing the city's growth, and Skopje is gradually becoming an important part of modern European culture and habits. The largest part of the country's tourist facilities are to be found in Ohrid.